How to repaste and clean the fans on a Dell Latitude 5290. But first, prepare the tools you'll need. Pause the video now and gather them. Lay your laptop down on its back to open its bottom case. There will be a total of 8 screws holding the bottom case. Here, I'm using a 0.0 Phillips screwdriver. Now, use a plastic spudger to remove the bottom case. Inspect the bottom case for dirt or debris that may be stuck. Use your brush to remove them. Always remove the battery first before doing anything. There will be a total of 4 screws securing the heatsink and 2 screws securing the fan. Now, remove the fan cable. You can use a plastic spudger or your nails. Just be careful. I was unable to unplug the cable, so I focused on the 2 screws holding the fan. Set the 2 cables aside to remove the screw holding the fan. After making sure all the screws are removed, you can now lift the heatsink and fan. Do this gently, so you don't bend the heatsink. Finally, I removed it. Here's the up-close of the fan. Look how dry that thermal paste is. Don't forget to clean the fan spot. Here, I use a soft bristle brush. Now, time to clean the old thermal paste. I'm using a plastic spudger to scrape off the old thermal paste. Here, I used cotton buds and 99% alcohol to remove the remaining old thermal paste. Now, I focus on the heatsink. Look how shiny that is. Now, let's apply the new thermal paste. Be generous. You can never put too little. Here, I'll be using the plastic spatula included on my thermal paste. By the way, all the products I used will be on the comments section. Here, I'm just cleaning the excess thermal paste. Here, I used soft bristle brushes to clean the fins of the fans. Now, align the screw holes to the heatsink. Ensure to follow the pattern indicated on the heatsink to evenly squish the thermal paste. Don't forget to plug the fan cable back and the cables around it. Lastly, the battery cable. Boom! Just like that, you've repasted and cleaned your Dell Latitude 5290. Now, put the bottom case back on, and screw the 8 screws back. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos.